नमस्कार साथियों, निगासन के 251 कुंडी गायत्री महायज्ञ के कार्यक्रम में अलग अलग क्षेत्रों की विभूतियां हैं और हमारे बीच में इस समय एक स्पेन के हमारे परिजन यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं। आइए कुछ इनसे बातचीत करेंगे। सर, व्हाट डू यू सी इन दिस ह्यूज सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ ऑल वर्ल्ड गायत्री परिवार? यू कैन सी huge gathering to eat food there is available. What do you see and what is your experience?
Actually, I think it's a very beautiful, very important moment to see how lakhs of people gathering in the same place for the practice of mantra, for spreading Sanatan Dharma, and for the spirituality, like how everyone together from different faiths and different backgrounds, different areas of India coming together for a celebration so important like this, and also it's very incredible also how well it's managed, so many lakhs of people in such a peaceful and well coordinated environment.